Alright guys, so today we got our review and we're going to look at our quiz tomorrow. First thing we started on Monday was adding decimals, and it was just 2 decimals. So for us to review, on the first 6 questions we're just adding 2 decimals. Remember, the important thing is line up the decimal point. So I'm going to go 2.7 plus 2.3. And there's, once again, line up the decimal point. I know 7 plus 3 is 10, so carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5, so 5.0. For the first 6, we're just adding 2 decimals. Right? That's how we started. Any questions on the first 6? Alright, then on question 7 through 12, we have find each difference, which is basically subtraction. But we're just going to subtract 2 numbers. And then I'm going to do this as 6.412 minus 4.2. Once again, line up the decimal point. That's what you need to line up. If you need them to be the same length, add a couple zeros. That way they have the same length. I'm just going to go 2 minus 0, and then 1 minus 0, 4 minus 2, and 6 minus 4. So my answer is 2.212. The important thing, once again, is line up the decimal point. Any questions on the front side? So basically up until 12. Any questions? Alright, so looking at number 13. Find each sum. So I'm just going to come over and give you guys 4 numbers, but you're just adding them all at once. So just a bunch of numbers. Let me just come over and line them up, all of them. I'm just going to go 0.65, 0.5, 4.374, and 1.9. Just like before, the important thing is line up the decimal point. At the very far right, I see a 4, so I'm just going to bring a 4. 5 plus 7, I know that's 12. And 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9, that is 24. And then 2 plus 4 plus 1, that's 7. So my answer is 7.424. Again, the important thing is line up the decimal point. We have 4 numbers, but you can do it all at once. And that's why it says find each sum. Right. Any questions up until 18? Right now, number 19. Instructions say evaluate each expression. Here I have addition and subtraction. I have everything combined. To make it simple, first of all, I want to find my positive numbers. In this case, there's 3 of them. And then I'm going to add them all. So let me add all 3. I'm going to say 6.7 plus 3.5 plus 2.6. And I'm going to add all my positive numbers. Line up the decimal point. 7 plus 5 plus 6, that's 18. 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2, that's 12. So my positives only was 12.8. Then, let me find my negatives, which in this case is only one number. So my negative is 7.1. If you have more than one negative, add your negatives. So add them all. In this case, it's only one. And then at the end, subtract your positives and your negatives. So I'm just going to go 12.8 minus 7.1. I know 8 minus 1 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So my answer is 5.7. Let me take a look at another example. Let me take a look at number 21. So I'm going to skip 20. Let me look at 21. My positives, I only have 2 in this case. So let me add my positives. 7.4, 7.7. I'm going to add them. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 1 plus 7 plus 7 is 15. So positives wise, I got 15.1. Looking at my negatives, there's two of them, 3.4 and 4.4, and I'm going to add my negatives. So there's an 8, there's a 7. So for negatives, I got 7.8. Now for the end, I'm just going to subtract 15.1 minus 7.8. Let me borrow a 1 here. 11 minus 8 is 3, and 14 minus 7 is 7. So add the positives, add the negatives, and at the end just subtract the two values. All right. Any questions?